This is the Daphino solar powered motion sensing light. So this has 3 lights that are very adjustable. It has a solar panel on the top that charges the internal battery, okay? It's got 3 settings, 3. The first setting is a motion sensing. So it sees motion, it turns on. After 30 seconds, it turns off. The second one is like a moonlight setting. As soon as it gets dark, it'll turn on to a low setting just to sort of, you know, gently light up the area, like kind of like a moonlight setting. And the third one is it'll be moonlight all the time. And then when it sees motion, it'll go to the high mode. So basically the way you control that right here is this button back here. And you can see, we're gonna go downstairs in a second and see how this thing performs. But I just want to show you real easily here how easy it is to basically install. So you have this little plate here. You could just run 4 screws in if you want. It does come with supplied hardware, but it also comes with this mounting plate. So this mounting plate you would mount with 2 screws, which it comes with, and you basically slide this in, okay? Oh, I think I'm doing it backwards. Yep, just like that, and it slides in. You can easily take it on and off if you need. I don't know why you would have to do that. Then you can adjust this to make sure that it's getting all the sunlight in there, and you can adjust everything else as you need. All right, now it also comes with a 3-year warranty if you activate that within the app that it has. Well, it doesn't have an app, you just basically use the QR code. But I'm gonna go in the basement, I have one installed. You're gonna see it turn on as soon as I get down here. There you go. This is the light. So you can see I have it installed like an eave, up installed like that. That's where my solar panel is. Of course, it's in my basement, so this is just for a demonstration. I'll go down to the lower setting. It is on the back here. That's like the moonlight setting. So what it does is at nighttime, it'll just stay on this setting at all times. So you can see how bright that is. And then let's go to the last setting, which is this is the brightest setting. And if we wait, which we won't, in about 30 seconds, this will go to moonlight setting. And then if it senses motion, boom, it'll turn on to the highest setting. That's what you're seeing right now. All right. So hope that gave you a clear understanding of how this thing works. I think it's pretty neat. I actually have a few of these out back in my house, like in the woods and stuff like that. They're real nice because you can mount them anywhere. There we go. And moonlight setting. And then once it, see, then it turns on. So pretty neat. There you go.